Hey everyone, it's Squiggly McPickens with Ants on a Melon. I'll be using the Galaxy 2.0 BitWhip in today's video. This is part 3 of an introduction to grip points in the LightWhip Foundation series. In this video, I'm going to go over 2-point fiber grip and multiple grip points. Get to know your whip from tail to handle. Moving between grip points will help prepare you for making seamless transitions and open up the ability to make all kinds of different visuals. In our last video, we got to know a single point fiber grip using one hand. Now try gripping your fibers with two hands. You can move to each side of your whip this way, so try out different hand positions and interactions. This is great for weaves and off-body work, as well as further movement across the length of your whip. You can add grip points by using other parts of your body as well. Holding tension using your legs, arms, feet, neck, all give you more options for making shapes and visual effects. Try out using other parts of your body. No matter how you have your whip in your hands, say for example you caught it after a toss, you already know that you have options for interaction with whichever grip point you have at the time, and now you have the ability to easily move into another grip style. Start combining your grips. Practice transitioning between them and see how many you can do. I hope you learned more about grip points and enjoyed this series. This is the end of my intro to grip points, but there will be many more features in the ongoing LightWhip Foundation series. Hit like if it helped you out and share it with your Flomies. Subscribe so you don't miss any tutorials. And thanks for watching.